morning. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Why all have kept the camera off, video off? Why? Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you all?
Lights not there.
Huh? No power?
Lights are not there. No power. That is.
Okay. Here we don't have that problem. We have power. So, okay. Let us wait for others to join. Tell me how many of you have solved some KMAP questions? Okay.
I won.
Then
One.
Who else? No one else. I realize that I have already finished the topic. K-maps are over. SOP, POS, khatam. 3 variable, 2 variable, 4 variable, over. 1 mark question over, 10 mark question also over. So now we have nothing else in K-map. So I was just wondering that how many of you have practiced. Actually, you have understood the concept, or you just think that madam ne padha diya, so we know everything. Will you solve any question? No. Or yes?
No.
Only 3 or 2 students have asked me doubts through email, Saran and Purva. So others either they know everything or they know nothing. Yes? So let's take a question. You will solve right now. I will also solve, keeping my screen share off. So let us see how many of you can solve. Let me write the question first. Let's keep it simple. Let's take a 3 variable K-map. Actually, it is not simple. It is a little complicated, but let's see. I'm writing in the chat window. The question is this. Now, pi symbol I cannot write here, so I'm writing pi. This is the question. Function of ABC is equal to pi 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Let's. Now pi means what? SOP or PO? Start solving, Dhwani. I'm not solving this question, okay?
Pi?
Pi means POS.
Means POS.
Ella means value, I am
To
asking.
decide, huh? I will not help you.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Chat window open karo, bhai.
लखेलो जी. Sorry.
A, B, C, 0.
Wait.
So only 16 participants. So who has not joined yet? Tell me. 15. So 4 are absent. The way Ayush Talpadeto has a big problem, I think he will not continue in 12th standard.
He's there, man.
Where is he? Ayush, you sit on your
Supreme
video
Ayush.
first. I want to see your face. Ayush. And don't you dare to switch off or, exit the meeting. Otherwise, today I will make a phone call to your parent today. बहुत हो गया तुम्हारा नाटक.
Madam, Shaunak is not there.
Okay, Shaunak, what happened to him?
I don't know.
He's coming, madam. Wait.
Then Shished is not there.
Purvam is not there.
Shishesh, I know the problem. There
Yes,
is
Purvam is also not there.
Shishesh is
Purvam was there.
I connect to my Wi-Fi, so you cannot switch on the video on Wi-Fi, Ayush. You switch on for a second. I don't want you to continue with the video. It's okay, but switch on for a second so that I come to know that you are attending the class. Okay, so Shishej has a reason. We know Purvam was here only. Okay, not to worry. So I will share screen and I will start solving the question.
Madam got answer.
What answer? Then don't share, huh? Priyanshi, Dhara, don't share. Who was it? I don't understand. So I said the name. I'm sharing this.
2 chords we will get.
Oh, no.
What?
Don't share. You will show
Done,
the
madam.
answer in the camera. Don't worry.
Yes. Wait, madam. Very wrong.
Next class, I will start with the circuits, decoder, encoder, and all. Okay. So keep your pencil.
Madam,
eraser.
from next
What happened?
week vacation.
Who told
Means
you?
Srini ma'am was
told?
telling in bio.
Okay.
Probably, huh? It's not confirmed.
Probably, to probably, bhai.
Which day?
Oh.
Srini ma'am.
Ma'am,
Eighth
2
May
chords.
something was telling.
2 chords, yes. Done.
So,
Yes, Arinder.
2 quads. 2 quads, yes. 2 quads.
Ah.
Yes.
This you are
Now,
solving
if
this,
you
right?
realize it is pi symbol, so it is POS. I'm writing pi here because I don't want to go and look for the symbol here and there. So, pi symbol का मतलब है 0. 0 is your
POS.
sum, right?
1.
So one, what was the question?
Madam, question was
0,
0,
1, 2,
1, 2,
4,
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6. बाकीना બધા કાઢી નાખો. Okay.
और A B C ही D नहीं था.
हाँ.
C only, yes.
Which question?
Variable.
Okay,
In
so
chat box,
I
Purvam
took a
is in
4
chat box.
variable K map. That is not correct. I will have to take a 3 variable. Where did I make 3 variable here? The question was here. I will have to make again only because let's insert a table. How many do we need? How many rows and columns do we need? 3 variables.
2 rows and 4 columns.
3 raised to 3 is 8. So basically 4 columns and 2
Column.
rows.
And 2
Not
rows.
able to select a table. I don't know what it is. Columns are 4 and rows are 2. Okay, so here I wanted one more row to write the things. So insert table 5 and 2. Okay. So now here, this is your 0 place, this is first place, this is second, third, fourth, fifth. I hope you know that. If you don't know, you are in big trouble. As soon as you are attending the
3,
classes as if
2,
they are, you know, on vacation mode, jag jao.
4, 7.
Okay. So here, what is the term? You will tell me. Okay, Jeet,
A
tell
bar.
me the term. There are three
A bar.
variables, right? So here there is A and here there is B, C.
B, C.
So
B
A
plus
is
C.
here in A bar form or A form?
A bar.
And here it is A.
Hmm.
Okay, so now tell me. Here, what is the form of
B,
And it
plus,
will be
B bar
A.
plus C bar.
A and then A bar it will be.
A bar.
Oh, Lochan
Yes,
मारा
ma'am.
पहला ज.
It will be A first.
Yes.
Here.
A or
Bottom.
Array.
You will
B
get
plus
a wrong
C.
answer, Jeet. If you have put A bar in place of A and A in place of A bar, you will get wrong answer. Now tell me, Priyanshi will tell me or Dhara. Chalo.
B plus C.
B plus C. See, in the SOP, it was B bar dot C bar. Now convert it to complement. B bar ka complement B, C bar ka complement C, and dot will become plus. It is as simple as that. But the problem is you don't remember B bar dot C bar also. That is your problem. Now here,
B plus C bar.
B plus.
C bar. B plus C bar.
Okay. Tell me if I am wrong or she is wrong. Huh? I am writing whatever she is saying. That's it. Now,
Bar plus
Yes,
C bar.
right.
B bar plus C bar.
okay. No, this is right. Now, बच्चा कुचा क्या है? B bar plus C.
Bar plus C.
Hmm.
Okay. So here, now this is the place values of all. Now, for POS, we put a 0. We don't take 1. Okay, so where is 0? 0 is at 0 place and first place. So यहाँ पे 0 है. Then
Oh yeah.
second place. Where is second place? Second place is this.
Last.
Okay, then 4, 5, 6. So except 7, everywhere else I'll put a 0. I hope you can understand why I'm putting 0 sometimes. कभी-कभी 1 होता है. Why? Because it is SOP POS.
POS.
Function is different. It comes from here. It is pi. That's why it is POS, product of sum. So now what kind of group making you will do? This is a very easy question. I should have taken something difficult. This is very easy. Then also you have a lot of confusion. So let us see what we are supposed to do. First of all, it's very easy to understand that this is a quad. Okay. So first of all, let us make a quad. This is your quad.
Yes.
Okay, very easy to understand. Now the question is that do we make a pair here? See, this confusion you will have for a long time except you start solving a lot of questions. Now here you can clearly see that we can make a pair, but the problem is that we can make a quad also. I know about Shishejar. Now don't worry. Okay, Shisheja, I know that there is no power at his place. I know, don't worry. Others who are absent, I want their names. Purvam has joined or not?
Yes, he joined.
Who is this? You can speak, all of you can speak. Bhai, he use data, not Wi-Fi. બરાબર છે, પણ મોબાઈલ ચાર્જ નથી થયો. જીલ પટેલ. ચલો.
No, yeah.
Have solved your problem. Now you won't be able to chat with each other. You can only chat with me. Okay. So problem solved. Okay. So here the question can be that should we make a pair or a quad? The answer is if making a quad is possible, don't make a pair. Okay. So make a quad only.
Yes.
જીલ પટેલ ને ખબર નહીં પડતી લાઈટ નથી તો પીસી કેમનું ઓકે ઇટ્સ ઓકે જીલ ડોન્ટ વરી ચલો so what we will make here we will make a quad how we will make a quad Shaunak do you understand Ronak is thinking, "Okay, what is there to understand in this, madam?
Sleeping. Where is it?
There is
No,
nothing,
he gave a
madam,
thumbs
that I
up.
should understand."
He's shown a thumb.
Okay, so this one and this part. So sorry for this kind of pathetic drawing, but I'm helpless because I don't have a whiteboard here. Okay, so basically we have made two quads. Now, lot of you are confused that, madam, how to, this is redundancy or not. This is not redundancy because all four zeros you are not repeating. How many zeros you are repeating? You are repeating these two zeros. These two zeros are common in both the quads, but are all four, repeating? No, they are not. So that is not redundancy. Redundancy is where all the elements are repeated in two or more groups. Okay, so what will be the answer? How to write the answer?
Two
That also
quads.
requires
C bar plus.
some kind of smartness. Okay, quad 1 and quad 2. You can name this as quad 1 and this as quad 2. Not a problem. Your quad 1 will be your 0, 1. These are elements.
4, 5.
And this is 4, 5.
Yes.
Okay, and this one will be 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6.
6.
So 6. And this is our 0. And this is our 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Yes, am I right? I think so.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, this is very, very important. You
Yes.
have to write this. But do we have a M here? Yes, we have a M, but we do not have a small m. We have a capital M. Why? Because this is a max
POI.
term, not a mean term.
Mean
Okay.
term.
Clear? Is this clear? So now how
Yes,
to
yes.
simplify? I hope you know how to simplify these equations. You don't need to go in the detailing part where you will write each and every term. I have taught you the shortcut here for these four. B plus C, B plus C bar. C and C bar will nullify each other. Here A and A
So,
bar
B.
will nullify each other. So only the answer
B.
is B.
B.
Why are
B.
we getting a Sorry, why are we getting a one variable answer? No, we should not get one variable, no, here.
Two
Okay,
variables.
sorry. This
No,
is
but there are three
variable.
now.
That's why we are getting one variable.
Three variables.
Okay, that's why. We are getting a one variable answer because it is a quad. Here, see, this is different from that four variable K-map. Here when we will have a octet when all the elements are 0.
Hmm.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then the answer will be 1 only. Okay, so all each and everything will nullify each other, so kuch answer hi nahi hoga. Don't worry, nobody will ask you that kind of question. So now what will be the answer here for the second quad?
C.
C bar plus
C.
C and B plus C,
C.
C chala gaya,
C.
C is the answer, and
C.
A and A bar chala gaya. So actually the answer will be, final answer will be, because it is POS,
B dot
product
C.
of sum,
B
B dot.
plus
B
C.
dot C.
This is the answer. Now you will have to draw the circuit, then you will get 5 marks. Okay, so suppose you are wrong at one point, like Jeet said that here it is A bar, here A, gaya answer, 0, I will give a 0. I give only half or 1 mark for doing this whole, making the table thing. That also if it is a 5 mark question. If it is a 3 mark question, I might give you half or nothing. And if your drawing is mashallah, then to minus marks. So please understand that how important this is. Okay, now any doubt if you have, you can ask right now. You all are, you all can speak. I think we have 19 participants. So let me take a
Screenshot.
photo. This will be better photo because 18 are present. Yes, 19 में 1 तो मैं ही हूँ. So I hope you know that I'm keeping a record of your photos.
Yes.
का फोटो है ये, चलो बराबर। Okay, so tell me, any doubts?
No.
So SOP and POS is over. K-maps over. 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable, SOP, POS plus where you get the question in the form of, see, I'll write the message here. The question can be in this form. This form. Where you will not get the number, you will get this equation. So what if it is POS, which kind of question you will get? You understand that?
Hmm.
Type of question. What this kind of question. A plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar dot. A bar plus B plus C plus D. There are two kind of questions. First one is SOP, sum of product. Next is POS, product of sum. I hope you remember we have solved these kind of questions where I did not give you the number. number नहीं दिया था. Yes, I hope you know this.
Yes.
Any doubt?
Yes. No.
No.
Doubts? Shaunak is thinking, what is she talking? I am talking very sensibly, whatever I have taught you, Shaunak. Okay. Yes. So what should we do now? See, what I am planning to do is, if you will get vacation, I'm not sure when and how many days or whatever, but I want you to write the project. Now tell me, how many of you have installed BlueJ at your home, in your system?
Me.
Raise hand on the system. I want that raise hand feature because I can't see for a second. You will. Okay, Zeel Patel has raised hand. Dave is raising hand. Purvam, Dhwani, Shaunak, Arnav. Asanya, you have not installed BlueJ at home. Zeel Patel is clapping for me. Raise hand karna tha beta. Okay, Pant. What about Pant?
No, I will do it today. I'll install it.
In my computer, it is not supporting.
Which computer you have out of the world system you have?
XR.
All
But it
versions,
is so many times I have tried, but it
okay,
is not
see,
happening.
all versions are available on the website. If it is Mac or your
Windows 7 I have.
Windows, na?
Windows 7 I have.
हाँ तो Windows 7 में तो simple चलेगा. By default, first thing that you install is Windows 7. See, Om Patel is not listening to me. You don't have BlueJ installed. You write in the chat window Om Patel, Ayush and Rudra. That's why you should keep your camera on so that I can see you at least. Yes, Kishan, why didn't you install, my dear, till now? Kishan, I will tell you.
Yes, ma'am.
In December, I want all my students to submit the project. So if you have to submit in December, you will have to keep writing the programs because I will not accept your prime number wala 4 line wala program. So what I want is, in this time when you are free, you should write at least 20 to 25 programs. So I will
मैडम
send
वो
you
बुक
a,
नहीं है CISC की बुक,
who is asking?
वो सिलेबस वाली पूर्वम,
What happened?
वो
Purvam?
CISC वाली बुक नहीं है, उसमें वो प्रोजेक्ट के लिए प्रोग्राम्स बहुत हार्ड दिए है, जैसे ट्रैफिक सिग्नल के लिए प्रोग्राम बनाने का, फिर बैंक अकाउंट के लिए.
You make it. See what they do, you know, they make a real life project. They make a real life project where you need all the features which I have taught. So you can go to that level, no problem. I don't think that you will face a lot of problems because you have been taught all the concepts. Okay, we have only string tokenizer and string buffer, which we might not have discussed. Or I think I have told you at least that string tokenizer is very good when you are doing the string manipulation program. So if you do not have BlueJ, install it now. See, we don't know when school will open and when you will go to the computer lab for typing the project. So how will you crack your practical exam? Okay, you need a lot of practice. If I was getting 5 periods a week, at least 3 you were going to the lab. Now here you will have to do it at home on your own. Okay, so what you can do is for practice, start typing programs and make a project at home only. Second is take question papers from my website. I have given the address of my website. Now take that address, open the website. There are some problems that I solve every day. Some programs I keep solving and I upload it on the website. Or you can take some questions from the old question papers also. They are also available on the website. Board paper is also available on the website. So take any question, start solving, don't take it very lightly. You know, solving the practical exam question will not be easy. If you want, try, take any question and solve, you will take 2 hours to let you do it. Because you have a break of 1 month and you have not practiced a single program. Trying number bhi aaj if you write properly, I'll be very happy. Because you leave practicing, then there will be a problem. Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
And okay, I'm writing one message for Dhwani. I'm sending you my email ID. Have I given you my email ID to all of you?
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so now tell me any problem that you have regarding programming also you can.
Ma'am, I don't have your email.
Okay, I'm writing for everyone. Krishna.tej, it is very simple. My name and my surname ka first 3 letter. Okay, so you have my email
Madam,
ID.
I will give you that photo. Can you give me hint how to solve those programs?
Yeah, why not? Why not? So just send the link if it is on any website. Okay, you're talking about that hard-coded one book. Okay, yes.
Yeah.
See, I'll tell you what they will do. They will make more than one class. I know what they are doing. I'll tell you. They will make more than one class. Now they will apply inheritance between classes. Okay. So that also inheritance I have not taught you. It's okay. I can teach you, no problem. But inheritance, then interface also they can use, which I have not taught you. Yes, inheritance and interface are yet to teach. But otherwise, other than that, we can solve the projects if they don't involve inheritance and interface. Okay, in real life, you need all these things to solve the programs. In real life, जब मैं एक software बनाती हूँ, तो there will be inheritance. We have to apply inheritance. If I am making a software for a bank, how do we apply inheritance? We will make a simple bank account class. And then we will have inheritance between other 4 classes called savings account, recurring account, and what do you call it? Daily, where you can give money. 3, 4 types of accounts that they have. So they all will inherit from where? They all will inherit from a base class bank account. So यहाँ पे आ गया inheritance. In real life, each and every project will involve inheritance. Clear?
Okay.
So that you will have to take care. But Purvam, these kind of projects, if you don't put in your project file at the end of year, it's okay. 1 or 2 are more than enough. Otherwise, whatever programs we are solving, they are more than enough.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
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 So now, how many of you don't have textbook? Those can raise hand so that I can understand that I have to. Wait. I will lower the hand. Shaunak, to I know. Okay. So Purvam does not have textbook. Dhwani does not have textbook. Harsh and Shaunak.
No, madam, I have.
So don't raise hand. Dhwani. Dhwani does not have textbook.
I have.
Then Shaunak only and Harsh. Yes.
Om.
कौन बोले छे भाई? And this Om, 3 participants have raised hand. Okay, what I was planning to do is there are so many questions in the textbook. So I cannot send you the soft copy of each and every page. So if you can mark it, that will be better. And you send it to these 3. Take a photo and send to them. So where are the questions? Have you realized that the questions of SOP are in the next lesson?
Yes.
In lesson number 2 exercise. I'll tell you the
Yes,
page
yes.
number.
Yes.
103 something.
Yeah. Which page number, my dear? 104. In my textbook, it is
105. Yeah, means 105.
okay. On 104, it starts, and there are lots and lots of questions. See, you will have to solve each and every type of question, at least 1 or 2 each and every type of. One where you are getting the number, like SOP question, function of ABCD is equal to summation of 0, 1, 2, 3 something. Then other type of question is function of ABCD is pi 0, 1, 3, 4, 9, 6 something. Now here 2 variable SOP, 3 variable SOP, 4 variable SOP, and 2, 3, 4 POS. Then comes questions where you will not get the number, you will get the term A bar, B bar, C bar, D, A, B bar, C bar plus B something. Okay, so all type of, then comes that descriptive question for 10 marks, which we have solved last time. You remember the long question where you were not getting anything in the question,
Table and up, yeah.
only conditions you were getting, and you were supposed to make a truth table. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
There are so many type of questions here on page number 106, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14.
80 total.
Yes. So mark the
question.
questions which you are supposed to solve. Don't take it very lightly that, okay, Trishna madam is not checking the notebook and she is at her home, so I will not write. I have all the kind of solutions that I require to check your notebook. Okay. So your job is to solve the question, use pencil and scale when you are making the K-map. Draw properly. Otherwise, I will give a 0. Clear? No clear?
Yes.
Chalo. So mark the questions. I will also mark so that I can understand. Question number 13. What this question is? They have given you the value of M, S, and P. Input is M, S is this. Okay, don't solve this because for this I will have to teach you encoder and decoder, the circuits. If we will continue the classes, then I will teach you now encoders, decoders. The only problem that I have is that I have to draw the whole circuit and it is very difficult to draw it without a whiteboard. Okay, so that's why I was thinking that we should go for programming first and then we will come back to encoder, decoder. So let's think what to do. Question number 14, have you solved A, B?
Yes, we did.
Yes, that done.
Okay.
Yes.
17 I think you have solved. I gave you 17 numbers.
Madam, 14A is left. Only B we done.
A I did not give because it was POS, I think. So now you can
Yes.
solve. Okay, A is solved because it is SOP. This S is given. No, that is wrong. It is summation. The symbol is summation. Question number 14A I'm talking about.
Yes, yes.
And also, whatever you have not solved, you can solve now. I think POS was not solved because at that time we got only SOP. So, yes. 31, 31, 32. 31 is SOP, 32 is POS.
33.
35.
30.
Now 41. See, this is descriptive question. Okay, then comes 59B. Here you are not getting the numbers, you are getting the terms.
Which madam?
59.
59B.
Oh.
Then 74. Okay, so these have all kind of questions. I'm not giving a lot of homework because I know how much you will do them if I give a lot. So who will send the questions to Shaunak and Harsh? Otherwise they will give an excuse. You understand कि मेरे पास तो textbook नहीं है. And Shishesh also we have to send because Shishesh bhai का भी textbook is in the school. Who will send? Raise hand. Nobody is raising hand. Okay, Panth is raising hand. So Panth will send the questions. Take a photo on mobile. Jeet can also send. Don't send each of you because it will be a lot of hard work on your part. So one student send it to Shaunak, Harsh, and Bhai Sahib Shishesh because otherwise they will give an excuse. Okay, I don't know what is the question, so I'm not.
Ma'am, I don't have number of Harsh and Shishesh. I have only of Shaunak. I can take number of Harsh now.
Who has Harsh's number? They can send. So simple. I will try to get the book by this week. From where, my dear? You will go to school? School is open, huh? By the way, office is open.
Ma'am, Arnav is also not there.
Arnav was here, but I think
He left.
what happened to Arnav.
So somebody has to send questions to him also, I think.
No,
Arnav
he has textbook.
But
Okay.
Arnav left. क्यों घूमने गया है? Shaunak is telling me Arnav left. He had an appointment with Narendra Modi about the lockdown. कि क्या करना है?
Lockdown.
Huh? You all are not able to understand that this is 12, class 12 and you need to Parjanya also. Parjanya though he went on a foreign trip.
कितने पेशेंट हुए नडियाद में?
Okay, Harsh has the textbook. So don't send it to Harsh. He has the textbook. Thank you so much, Harsh. You are typing the message is good. Okay, so tell me now, programming wise, any problem? You know string tokenizer. You know I'm uploading a question every day almost, you know. Madam, we don't know anything. You are free. We are not free. We have told you several number of times, madam.
Yes, then 1 minute.
Nothing to worry, bhai. This is my website. Chalo, it is open only.
Java for school.
.com.
Before 1 or 2 days only, I have solved a program where you have to convert the words to palindrome. Today it was array in Java. This is for class 10, not for you. This program is for you. String program to convert all the words to palindrome words. So what I have done is, you have, I think, already solved this program. Take a
Yes, we did.
If the words are palindrome, leave them as it is. Otherwise, what we are doing is we are converting the
Lens के प्रैक्टिकल में पूछा था यार शायद.
palindrome. Yes. So what I am doing is I have made a function, because without function I don't think it will be possible to